Hey there! So you're looking at Intel processors and seeing Celeron, Pentium, i3, i5, i7, i9, and it's just alphabet soup, right? Don't worry, let's break it down. Think of them like cars, from a basic city runabout to a full-blown supercar. Let's go! Intel Celeron. This is your absolute basics car. It's for one thing at a time. Checking email, browsing the web, watching a video. It's super budget-friendly and gets the simple jobs done. But ask it to run a game, edit a video, or have 20 browser tabs open. It's gonna struggle. Perfect for a student's first laptop or a simple home PC for bills and recipes. Intel Pentium. A small step up from Celeron. Think of it as that basic car, but now with a slightly better engine and maybe a radio. It can handle a few things at once a bit better. Still not for heavy lifting, but for everyday tasks, light homework, and maybe some very casual gaming. It's a solid choice if your budget is tight, but you want a little more pep than Celeron. Intel Core i3. Now we enter the quad-core family, starting with i3. This is your reliable, fuel-efficient, compact car. It's great for most people. It handles everyday multitasking smoothly, streaming music while working on a document, video calls, and even some light photo editing or gaming like Minecraft. For most office work and general use, an i3 is often enough. It's the smart, mainstream starting point. Intel Core i5. This is the sweet spot, the popular family sedan with some real power under the hood. This is where you get proper performance for gaming, more serious photo editing, and even some video work. Most modern games run great on an i5. If you're a gamer, a content creator starting out, or just want a fast, snappy PC that won't slow down, the i5 is usually the best bang for your buck. The go-to for performance. Intel Core i7. Stepping up, we have the Core i7 Horsepower. Think luxury sports car. It's for power users. You're into high-end gaming at the highest settings, streaming your gameplay live, editing 4K videos, 3D modeling, or working with huge spreadsheets and code. It has more power, cores, threads, to juggle demanding tasks simultaneously without breaking a sweat. If your work or hobby is demanding, i7 is your friend. Intel Core i9. This is the hypercar, the absolute pinnacle. It's for professionals and extreme enthusiasts. We're talking Hollywood-grade video editing, complex scientific simulations, competitive esports at the highest level, or running multiple virtual machines. It's about maximum power and speed, no compromises. For most people, it's overkill. But if you need the absolute best, and money is no object, this is it. So, quick recap. Celeron Pentium. For basics, Core i3. For good everyday use. Core i5. For great all-around performance. Core i7. For power users. And Core i9 for the pros. Match the processor to what you actually do. Hope that clears things up.